Since 2009, Continental Dairy Facilities has been providing Grade A Gold Star quality milk products to manufacturers across the country and around the world. Our plant produces over 300,000 pounds of dry, non-fat milk per day for use as the base ingredient for a wide variety of consumer products, including ice cream, cheese, yogurt, whipped cream, pasta sauce, and more. Our commitment to quality and sustainability has made us a preferred producer for a wide range of food manufacturing companies. On a daily basis, we receive an average of 75 raw milk trucks delivered straight from the farms. Raw milk leaves our producer's dairy farm and heads for our plants in Michigan or Texas. The truck enters the facility and is checked in by the guard adhering to our food safety and defense protocols. The tanker proceeds to be weighed and tested for quality prior to moving on to the receiving bays to be emptied and then washed. The milk is pumped out the rear valve through the valves which direct the milk to one of the 14 70,000-gallon raw milk silos. After the milk goes into the storage silos, it is routed to the milk separators where it is fractionated into cream and skim milk. The cream is then pasteurized and sent to one of 4 30,000-gallon silos. From there, it is either loaded out onto tankers to be delivered to our customers or sent to the butter churn, which processes 6,000 gallons of cream per hour into 25,000 pounds of butter per hour. The butter is packaged into 25-kilogram blocks to be shipped to food companies all over the nation as a food ingredient. After separation, the skim is sent to the evaporator at 9% solids. The evaporator concentrates the skim milk to 50% solids prior to drying. The dryer produces 7 tons of powder per hour. The powder leaves the dryer and is conveyed to one of 2 200,000-pound storage silos. The powder leaves the powder storage silos and is sent to 2 packaging lines. The packaged product is palletized and sent to the warehouse where it will be shipped to both our domestic and international customers. While the powder is in storage, it is being tested to make sure it meets our rigid quality requirements prior to shipping to our customers. Sustainability isn't just something we claim, it's how we live.